Hi guys, today we can make a chicken. Hi guys, today we can make Chinese chicken. So we can make this chicken called honey soya chicken and grains. So we can cook this today. We have here, this is called hoi pak, hoi pak. This is Chinese dish, and we have onion, we have cinnamon seed. Here we have peanuts, we have peanut oil, we have garlic, we have ginger there, we have soy sauce here, we have Chinese 5 spice, we have honey there, and we have chicken. See, so we have to marinate. Chicken have already cut into pieces, so we just marinate now. So now guys, I'm going to marinate. I already put this soy sauce, teaspoon, and we can add honey, teaspoon also, and we can add this one. We can add Chinese spicy, half teaspoon, and so guys, as this is garlic, and this one is ginger. I need to squeeze, make it into paste. See, as you can see, I already have squeezed this lemon, not lemon, sorry, I've already squeezed this garlic and ginger, so I'll pour here side. Sorry, and mix it like this. Oh my god. So guys, as you can see, I already mix here everything. So what I put here, I put only honey, teaspoon, honey teaspoon. I put soy sauce teaspoon. I put Chinese fine spicy, half teaspoon, and garlic and ginger. That is it. And now I will marinate my chicken. See, I have to marinate now. Marinate. Now you see, I already marinate. You see now, I already covered. So I'll put in the fridge for 30 minutes. So guys, you can see I already chopped my onion there. This is 2 onion, it's red onion, and I already removed my chicken from the fridge. So already finished marinating. So what I do now, I will take it here into pan. I already heat it. It's already hot, and I already put a little bit oil. So as you can see, I'll put now peanut oil here. This tablespoon. I'll put onion. Now my chicken ready. I put it here. So now, as you can see, I already washed my choy, this greens, and I already washed it. It's ready, and I have my chili there. I have my sesame seed. I have already here. I have already peanuts. So let us just mix inside. So chicken, that, yes, and that's the peanuts. Ooh, see that, guys? It's Chinese, Chinese dish, Chinese chicken. This is how Chinese they cook like this. Tang tang, ching tang, tang tang, choo cha, choo choo, chup chup chup. Oh my god. Our chung chung tang tang is finished. So our Chinese chicken finished, guys. So as you see here, I already chopped my chili for decoration, and then my chicken finished. So ready to. Wow, look at that, guys. Our Chinese dish finished. It's honey. It's called honey soya chicken and greens. Finish. Okay. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and share with your friend, and let us cook all over the world food. Okay. Thank you.